Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic DFS namespace. So in our organization there could be a multiple file servers. So each and every file servers contain different type of files. Suppose the user want to access the files in server 1, he need to go to file server 1 and need to access the files. So same steps followed for file server 2 also. So it's kind of a little bit difficult task. So with a DFS namespace, the user just needs to type company data only in their machine and they can access all the files in each and every file server. I will show you practically. So this is our domain controller, which I hosted in Azure. You can do it in VMware Workstation also. You just have to follow my steps only. So in domain controller, you need to install the feature DFS namespace. Go to add roles and features, click on next. And under file and storage services, you can see option DFS namespace, add features, and now click on install DFS replication also. So today we are discussing about only DFS namespace. So upcoming video will be about DFS replication. So install this feature, and I'm creating a folder in this server and make it as a shared folder. I will show you. Go to File Explorer, and in Windows C, create new folder, naming it as Android. And make it a shared folder. Go to advanced sharing, share this folder, permission, sharing with everyone. Click on apply and OK. Okay, now the installation is in progress. We have to wait. Now go to our member server. We need to install this feature in our member server also. So go to server manager and click on add roles and features. Click on next. So under file and storage services, you can see option DFS namespace, add features, and click on next. And we need to install this feature. Okay, now go to File Explorer, and we are creating a file here also in this server. So we created two different files which were in two different server also, and name it as Java and make it as a shared folder. So the users, they just need to type the company data only and they can access both the files, Android and Java, with the help of the DFS namespace. I will show you. Share this folder, permissions. I'm sharing with everyone. Okay. Okay, now the installation is completed. So in member server, go to tools. So in domain also, installation has been completed. So go to member server, make it as full screen, add in tools, go to DFS management. So this is our DFS console. So under namespace, right click on DFS namespace. So you have to mention our namespace server, new namespace. So we have to mention our domain control server, which we are making DFS server. So domain, administrator username and password. Click on next. Okay, there is small error while we making domain control as a namespace server. So go to domain controller. So we can make member server as a namespace server. So let's see the error come in this also. So in browse, you have to type member server. Click on OK. Click on next. Click on next. So okay, it's fine. So we make namespace server as our member server. So we have to mention our name of our. I'm naming it as company data, in which users can access with this name. I will show you. Click on next. So you have to copy this path and give to users. Click on next. So our namespace server is our member server. So we created. So now we need to add folders in our namespace server. So go to new folder. You have to mention naming it as Android, our file. And we need to add the folder target. So Android is in our domain controller server. So it's in domain. Click on OK. So you have to add Java also. Java. And it is in our member server. You have to mention the member server name. Member server. Check names. OK. So we have added Java folder also. And click on OK. And OK. And we added both the files which were in different servers. Now go to client machine, make it as full screen. And we have to paste which we copied the path in our TFS namespace server. So this is our path which we copied, paste it here, and you can see, click on OK, and you can see both the files which we hosted in different servers. So in this way, DFS namespace works.